In this short guide video of TechTube, let me show you the process of logging in to your Quillbot account. If you are signed up for Quillbot and if you're trying to log into it, then make sure you watch this video until the end. Search for quillbot.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, it's gonna take you to its website. Now to log into it, you'll see a human icon on the top right. Once you click on it, it's gonna take you to the login section. Now either you can log into your account using your Google account, Facebook account or your email address. Choose the option that you used while signing up. If you use your email address, just type in the email and the password of your account and then click on login. But if you used your Google or Facebook account, just click on these options and choose your account and you will be immediately logged in. And as you can see, you have been now successfully logged in to your Quillbot account. Other than this, you can also add Quillbot as your Google Chrome extension. You will see this option called Quillbot for Chrome. If you don't see this option, you can also search this up. Search for Quillbot for Chrome and you can see this link which says Grammar Checker extension. Click on it and you can click on Add to Chrome, and this will be added as your extension on the top. So that was the process of logging in to your Quillbot account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily guide videos that we post. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.